Oh boy. Now wow. Imagine where human being they stay. See where they sleep. See See Many of you out there they live comfortably, still they complain. These are that life hard. Oh yeah, come this can thick forest now. They can't try am. They sleep here, they mosquito follow you. I don't chop you like 3 days. You go there run find where your mama dey. See how all these wood wey una go see am trailer they carry, this one they load, this one they load. Oh man, no be rubber they saw them. Oh. Now human being they saw am. See us for here. See me and my colleague. Okay, imagine this one. That lock. As high as it is. I could still imagine that. Was I the one that cut it up there? It's so high. So high. Okay. Okay. It was so high above the ground that I barely reach. I barely reach there. When I no worry, when I come along. Okay. Yeah, now more they go there. Oh, go away with all you saw another one. No. This one is called canwood. I did for any type of work, especially roofing. If you roof with this one, my brother, that one means say until this aid go pass, you know they renovate your house. That's how we they do it. See our machine for here. As this small thing dey so, now we they load plenty trailer when they see them they pass. I beg. As una they see our hustle so, when they like our video, when they subscribe, when just they help us try. Help us share and save sometimes. Who can tell? Maybe some governor go decide give us contract. We'll begin run them in a big way. You know, we can't they cut job for bull like this, they do this, you go employ plenty people. It's a big quality wood. You see. Okay. I just start when I see small. I go just start engine, operate small. When I see like only one line, we go pause. So we don't swan all. We go now still do one small video. When I see as we don't finish and all the finished product, and I go see them. Pause am. The same place.
Yes.